This is a Magnavox black and white TV. I think it's probably maybe a 1950, late 1950s model. I'm going to take apart take the chassis out of there and replace the caps. Now if you look here, you'll see how somebody replaced the deflection yoke wiring on it. They just twisted it. It wasn't even soldered. I'm going to have to repair that. The edge of that kind of had disintegrated, but we actually did test this, and the picture tube does work. It is a good tube. It's actually a new rebuilt tube in there. Here's how the Magnavox chassis detaches. You actually don't detach the chassis or the picture tube from the bottom board. The board that this all mounts to just it just screws up to this bottom part of the case, and then you just tilt the whole thing down and move it out. We're having trouble figuring out how to get this chassis out of here, but you just see here it just tilts down, and then you just remove this whole thing with the CRT mounted to it.
Ready?
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, this is a 21 ATP4A CBS Palomar picture tube. And let's see, there we can see some old, looks like some old electrolytics in there. You might be able to get to the electrolytics just from behind there. I don't know. No, there's some down in there.
Now, if it wasn't for the high voltage and everything, it'd be nice to just kind of have it like this. But
Yeah, just put it in a plexiglass cabinet. We probably could actually demonstrate it like this once we get the new caps in it.
you know, one thing I got at Company Fence the other day when I got that other deal was some more attachments.
Oh yeah, you could always use those attachments. Oh, look at that.
I mean, just these brushes.
What is that?
It's like an end of a paintbrush.
End of a paintbrush, yeah.
Hey, look, and here's the key.
Huh, where? Oh, yeah. This looks like a Chrysler key, or a duplicate that would go on a Chrysler.